Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Gigi and I'm back with another video. So I went and bought an embroidery machine, y'all. So for a while now I've been wanting to create my own clothes, my own custom clothing, and that is kind of one of the reasons why I taught myself how to sew in the first place. However, anytime I would go to these printing shops and embroidery shops in my neighborhood to inquire about like what designs they could print or embroider on a t-shirt, they would always give me a super high quote, and they just weren't flexible. So I've been meaning to buy an embroidery machine for a while now, so I finally saved up some money and I did it. So if you guys saw earlier in the video, the embroidery machine came with a few accessories like some thread. It came with a manual and the actual machine. So this is what the machine looked like straight out of the box, and I'm not gonna lie, it did take me a little bit of time to like finesse how the machine works. I had to read the whole manual like from start to finish. I decided not to watch videos on YouTube, even though there are other videos on how to use the same machine. I just decided to read it and figure it out on my own. So this is my first attempt after reading the whole manual. So the instructions said to iron on a piece of infusible facing onto the t-shirt, and I didn't really go in super detail. If you guys want me to make another video on how to embroider a t-shirt step by step, I can do that. I just want to show you guys like an overview of, you know, my attempt at embroidering a t-shirt at home. So I'm not gonna lie, figuring out how to attach the hoop to the thing you guys see over there is honestly the hardest part of embroidering a t-shirt for me. Once I figure out how to do that, I can like embroider 10 t-shirts with my eyes closed. All about patience and just finessing to get the hoop to click on that metal thing, the metal slide thing you guys see. From here on, once you turn on the machine, all you have to do is just put your design in and hit embroider. Luckily for me, this machine came with a bunch of different fonts. I'm not too crazy about all of them, but you know, they work, I guess. So you basically type up what you want, what word or like saying or design you want, and figure out how you want it centered on your shirt. And you guys see me playing around with the placement of it. You can really do a lot. You can flip it upside down, flip it to the side, turn it like 180 degrees. I like this. I really like this machine because you can do a lot, like change the font size, change how close together you want the letters and all of that. But I'm just playing around. I was just playing around with what I wanted the design to look like, nothing serious. And when I was done, I just hit embroider.
Purchase your tracks today.
And that is it. That is literally all you have to do. Once you hit that green arrow, and the embroidery starts, it won't stop until it's done embroidering everything, your whole design. So it's pretty cool. I really messed up bad and you guys will see. Messed up really bad on this shirt because I didn't secure the shirt tightly on the hoop. It was kind of loose, and so when the needle went through, it caused the shirt to just pucker. But I learned my lesson. I tried this a few more times, and I figured it out. Like, just tighten the hoops when you put the shirt in.
Purchase your tracks today.
And that's it, guys. I tried this. I tried embroidering a few more times, and the more I did it, the better and better I got. And so, like, the second one was better than the first, and the third one I did was better than the second. So, I'm a pro now, and I can pretty much embroider anything. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't hesitate to let me know what you'll like to see more of. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell and like this video and comment, share with your friends. I love you guys so much, and I'm just grateful that you guys are supporting me and watching my videos. Thank you.
Purchase your tracks today.